Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel. And this video we will tell you how to check plagiarism effectively using Turnitin. Whether you are student, educator or researcher, ensuring originality in your work is crucial. Turnitin is a powerful tool widely used in academic settings to detect and prevent plagiarism. In this video, we will guide you through the process step by step. Let's go to the login your Turnitin account. Okay, first step for checking plagiarism is to assess your Turnitin account. First, go to the class in which you are enrolled. I just click on the class. Here you can see that there are several slots already created by our instructor. Slot 1, slot 2, slot 3 and so on. Let's move to the right side of the interface of the Turnitin. Here you can see that there is option of open all these slots. Let me open the first slot, and here you can see that I already submitted a file in this slot named as article.docsx. Here you can see the plagiarism percentage, similarity percentage is shown, that is 24%. Let me upload a file in different slot. Go to my class. Let me upload in slot 3. I open this slot and upload submission. After I click on upload submission, it will ask me to agree these Turnitin end user license agreements. I just click on agree. Now this interface is shown that I have to choose the file and I have to add the submission title. Let me choose the file. Okay, I choose the file for which I am checking the plagiarism and upload and review. And Turnitin is uploading my file. After that, this file will be reviewed and plagiarism will be completed by comparing with all the resources on Turnitin. Let me submit to Turnitin. And it's reviewing my file and checking against all the data available, our websites, our different universities or anything related to that. Now my file processing have been complete, and within few seconds I will see the plagiarism report. Let me click on my file. Here you can see that the plagiarism percentage is ready for this file. Simply I will see here there are several sources that are being used in this file. Here is a detailed view of that sources. Here you can see that my plagiarism percentage is also being shown on under the similarity option. I can also download the report from this download option or resubmit my file by giving this option.